Hey everyone, today's 2-minute tutorial is going to look at how we sort our data in SQL. So, how do we sort data in SQL? You can order your data by any column that you want, either ascending or descending. The order by command in SQL allows us to do this. And note that the order by command sorts your data ascending by default. If you want to sort it descending, you have to add a little bit more to the code, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So here we have our SQL database, which is called country and has a bunch of information about different countries and some attributes about those countries. So let's say we wanted to sort this data by name, ascending, so sorting the data alphabetically. We add to the end of our code, order by name. So order by the column that you want to sort it by. So let's run and see the results. As you see here, our data is now sorted by name in ascending order, starting with A and going down to Z. Let's say we want to do it descending. We simply add DESC for descending to the end of our code, and it will automatically sort your data in descending fashion. So as you see here, it's now sorted by name but descending, so starting with Z and going all the way to A. So now let's change it up. Let's see we want to sort it by population. So let's run this code and we should see the data sorted descending by population. And there you have it. But what about if we want to sort by two things? Let's say we want to sort our data by continent, and then within each continent we want to sort by population. We can simply add as many columns as we want to the order by command. So here we'll add continent, comma, population, which means it will sort our data by continent and population. So there you have it. It sorts our data by continent, starting with Africa, and then within each continent, it sorts the country by population. As you see here, we've got Asia, and then it sorts it by population within Asia. So that's a quick overview of the order by command. It's a great way to sort your data, make it easier for you or someone else to read. If you got any questions on it, please feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments, and I'll get right back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.